Imagine stepping out into your garden and being greeted by a carpet of colorful blooms that thrive even in the hottest summer days. Hiya, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most resilient and beautiful plants you can grow at home, the stunning Portulaca, also known as the moss rose. Hey, garden lovers! If you're looking for a plant that's easy to grow, low maintenance, and adds a burst of color to your garden, then Portulaca is your new best friend. Portulaca thrives in warm climates and can be found in places like the southern United States, Mexico, and even parts of South America. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to grow these beauties right in your own backyard. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about seeds. You can find Portulaca seeds at any garden center or online. They come in a variety of colors, from bright pinks and oranges to soft whites and yellows. These tiny seeds might look delicate, but don't let their size fool you. They're tough and ready to grow. To start, you'll need a shallow seed tray or a small pot with good drainage. Fill it with a well-draining potting mix. Portulacas love sandy soil, so if you have some, mix it in with your potting mix for the best results. Sprinkle the seeds lightly over the surface. Don't cover them with too much soil, just a light dusting will do. These seeds need light to germinate, so they should be barely covered. Mist the soil gently to keep it moist, but not waterlogged. After about a week or two, you'll start to see little sprouts poking through. At this stage, make sure they get plenty of sunlight. Portulacas are sun worshippers and need at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Once your seedlings are a few inches tall and have a couple of sets of true leaves, it's time to transplant them into your garden or a larger pot. Choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Space them about 6 inches apart to give them room to spread and thrive. Water them thoroughly after transplanting and then let the soil dry out between waterings. Portulacas are drought-tolerant and do better with less frequent watering. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's better to let them dry out a bit. In a few weeks, you'll start to see buds forming, and soon after, a spectacular display of colorful blooms. The best part? These flowers open in the morning and close in the evening, giving you a fresh burst of color every day. And there you have it. With just a little care and the right conditions, you can enjoy these stunning flowers all summer long. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone.